back, it's Kate here to present you with another drink of the month, the Mowery Mule. You're gonna need the following items. Ginger beer, blue curacao, I chose just the syrup. Vodka, we went with a blackberry, locally from York, PA. Some ice, and some limes. Okay, let's get started. You're gonna take 1 shot of vodka in each. Again, this is blackberry flavor. You're going to squeeze in a lime. You can leave the lime in. You're gonna top with some ginger beer. And to add that Mowery spirit, just a little blue curacao syrup. You just did 1 long squirt. You'll top your copper cup, and there you have it, the Mowery Mule.